Hello everyone, welcome to Success Classes. I hope you all are doing well and I am properly audible to everyone. So today we are going to discuss a problem that is being raised by a subscriber, and that is, can we buy a laptop from UGC NET-JRF Contingency Fund? As we all know that UGC provides us a contingency fund of rupees 10,000 in the entire year, right? And in every quarter, UGC dispersed 2,500 for contingency fund. So there are a lot of misconceptions that what all things are purchased under this with the help of this contingency fund. And a subscriber also raised this question that can we merge the entire amount of the entire financial year and raise a single bill uh, in order to grant contingency fund. So these type of questions usually arise. So with the help of this video, I am pretty much sure that these types of queries or problems will be resolved, right? So before getting into it, if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for latest updates. And this is our website, research and PhD guide success classes, in which we used to upload informations regarding PhD admissions as well as job vacancies. And job vacancies are related to assistant professor, associate professor, and professor, right? And we have certain other segments also which you can refer, just like quizzes, learning, video channel, contact, about. So you can explore these segments also. We are also available on Facebook as well as on Telegram. The name of our Facebook page is Success Classes. The name of our Telegram channel is Search and PhD Guide Success Classes. The link of both the social networking sites are given in the description box. You can follow us also, right? And the link of website is also given in the description box. This is the URL of our website. Okay, moving towards the main content of the video. As you all know that this is the NET-JRF 5 that uh, JRF awardees has to submit to the university. And after this, uh, this 2,500 rupees will be dispersed in the account of the JRF awardee every quarter, right? So my focus towards is this particular point, that is point number E, right? Before that, these are the points which you can uh, buy in order to utilize the contingency fund. You can use contingency fund for books and allied items, right? Books, if you are referring any sort of book related to your domain, or you can say notebook or register, or something like that, you can utilize that contingency fund, but you must have a valid bill for it, right? Bill in between that particular tenure, right? Then you can use the contingency fund for typing and printing, right? Because you have to write research papers, review papers, you have to write your thesis also. So for typing and printing, the amount will be utilized. For stationery, for pen, pencil, right, you are using scale and all other stuff, highlighter and all other stuff that is required, calculator and all. These are considered as a separate segment for contingency fund. Then postage, if you are sending something to any conference or something like that, so you can utilize that amount for contingency fund also. And one more thing, suppose you are attending any conference and they want you to pay the postage charges if you want a hard copy of that particular journal, or that particular, you can say, workshop or something like that. So that postage charges can also be used, but this postage charge will be used for your research purpose also, or research purpose only, right? And this particular item is a bit, you can say, uh, confusing. So chemical and electrical goods, most of the subscribers are issuing this kind of queries that can laptop be purchased uh, through this contingency fund. So I just want to tell you that in most of the universities, I'm not telling that all the universities, in most of the universities they want bill of separate 2500, right? Suppose you want to purchase you can say keyboard, right? Or you want to purchase ssd, or you can say hard disk, right? So you have to raise a separate bill for separate amount of rupees 2500 that you are getting in every quarter. Are you getting my point? And laptop, we all know that laptop will be priced between, you can say, 30 to 60,000 rupees. So universities does not allow their research scholars to purchase the laptop because the amount is very much high and they want separate bills. And the reason behind it is UGC used to send some delegates for audit also. Your nodal officer might have told this, that the audit will be conducted as per the convenience, and they will they will go to, or they will demand documents, or you can say files, or they will send some delegates and then they will check each and everything. So they will the university delegates or the nodal officer will not do such kind of acts which are, you can say, which are unethical, or which are, you can say, not in the favor of UGC guidelines, right? So they want the research scholars to have uh, the bills that are minimum of 2500 for every quarter, and for every quarter you have to submit separate bills. So in this electrical goods, what all things can be purchased in this electrical goods, means they will not allow you to purchase a laptop. I think this particular thing will be clear to you, because they want separate bills for separate quarters. And for the entire laptop you have to raise a bill of near about 40,000 rupees, and universities usually does not permit their research scholars for that, right? So you can purchase a hard disk, you can purchase a solid state drive, you can purchase a keyboard, you can purchase a mouse, right? And it should be you should focus this, that the amount should be 2500. And because you have to issue a separate bill for every quarter, right? So these all things which are related to peripherals, which are related to laptop, that you can purchase, right? But you have to you have to focus one thing also, that suppose you are purchasing a headphone. I'm giving you an example. So nodal officer used to raise this query, that how this headphone is useful for your research, that you have to justify. Because now there there might be chances that queries will arrive that headphone can also be an electric goods, but you should, whatever amount UGC is providing you, it is for your research work, in order to get research excellence, right? So you have to justify that. and there are chances that if you will purchase something which are you can say not related to research, they might not accept your bill also, or they will reject your bill. So don't do such kind of acts which are not related to your research work, right? So there should be a justification of it, because they have to justify the delegates who are coming for the audit of your documents which you have submitted, just like HRA or continuation certificate, or you can say contingency fund, right? And the last one is regarding travel and field work, in which if you are going to attend any sort of international conference to any other city, or you're paying for it, right? So that amount will also be considered as an amount which can be utilized out of contingency fund, right? So these are the, you can say, important points which you have to keep in mind. And in these points you have to uh, utilize your contingency fund, right? I think now you are pretty much clear that what all things will be included, right? And this is the annexure 5. You have to fill these documents and get it signed and sealed, and then you have to submit it to your nodal officer of the university, right? So I hope this particular you can say video is very much uh, clear to you. So if you liked it, hit the like button and share it to the maximum, right? So thank you so much for your valuable time. Meet you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay blessed, everybody.